What is the process for returning an Apple product within the 14-day return policy period?
Hello everyone. Today we'll walk through the process of returning an Apple product within the 14-day return policy period. Apple's return policy is customer-friendly, making it easy for you to return a product if it doesn't meet your needs. Just remember that the product must be returned within 14 days from the day you received it.
When can I return a product?
Before proceeding with the return, it's important to understand when you're eligible for a return. You can return an Apple product if you purchased it directly from Apple, either online or in store. It's within 14 days of receipt. The product is in its original condition with all the accessories and packaging.
How to return a product purchased online?
If you purchased your Apple product online, follow these steps. 1. Find your order number. It will be listed on the invoice that came with your package. 2. Contact Apple support. Reach out to them via phone or online chat and provide them with your order number. 3. Request a return. Explain your reason for returning the product. They'll then send you a return label via email. 4. Pack the product. Safely pack the product in its original packaging, including all the accessories and manuals. 5. Send the product. Print the return label and affix it to the package. You can then send it via courier service as instructed by Apple support.
How to return a product purchased in an Apple store?
If you purchased your product in an Apple store, here's what you need to do. 1. Prepare your product for return. Make sure the product is in its original condition with all accessories and packaging. 2. Visit the Apple Store. You'll need to bring your receipt or proof of purchase, as well as a valid photo ID. 3. Request a return at the store. Staff members will guide you through the return process. That's all there is to it. Returning an Apple product within the 14-day return policy period is straightforward. Whether you bought your product online or from an Apple store, Apple aims to make the return process as simple and hassle-free as possible. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide makes your return process a breeze.